requested for a while now. It's going to be my curly hair routine. I'm going to show you guys how to use a curling wand to get some really pretty curls. And in today's video, I am going to be using my Luxy hair extensions. So about 4 years ago, I had long hair. It was longer than it was with the extensions in. And I got a bad haircut, and my hair still hasn't grown back. My natural hair, you'll see it in a minute, usually falls like right about here. So I wear extensions, and yeah, I'm going to go ahead and style them. So if you're interested, keep watching. Don't forget to go ahead and click the subscribe button. Check my description box for all my links to my social media, and I will try to link everything that I'm using here as well. And let's just go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so I'm using a curling wand. This is a Hot Tools 1 1/4 inch curling wand. It's a lot easier for me. If you're somebody that isn't used to using curling wands, you can get them with a heat glove, and you might want to use that. I've been using this for like 7 years now. And so I get a few burns every now and then, but for the most part, it's pretty safe. And I'm going to go ahead and turn this on about 350 degrees. I've already sprayed my hair with a heat protectant. This is the Dry Bar Hot Toddy Heat Protectant Mist. So I've already sprayed my hair, brushed through it, and I'm going to curl in sections. So I've got the first bottom layer down, and I'm going to take it in a section about like this. If you want tighter curls, you can go in smaller sections, or if you want looser curls, you can go in bigger sections. So I'm going to hold it for about, I don't know, 7 to 8 seconds. And then we're going to let it fall. Let it sit here for a minute to hold the curl. I'm going to let it fall down. See right there? It's a really tight curl. Now at the end, there, you know, everybody has their preference. You may like a tighter curl, you may like looser curls. I like mine a little tighter because they do fall during the day. So when I first get done, they're super curly, but they do fall out during the day a little bit. So we're gonna leave these tight. And I'm gonna link the curling wand as well. I think there's one on Amazon. I got this one at Ulta, but I've ordered this one on Amazon before, and it is a little bit cheaper, but it's perfect. It's really, if you have long hair, this has a really long barrel, and I don't know, I just love this curling one. Okay, so we've got the bottom section right there. So I'm going to take my hair down, and I'm just using a little clip like this. And we're going to take it in another section. I wish I could show you guys from the back. I don't know if you can tell. But we're going to take it in a little section right here. And then I'm going to clip in my 4-clip left right here. I put 2 3 clips on the bottom. So we're going to clip it in. I'm going to grab it like in 2 sections from the back, and we're going to pull it forward, split it in 2, and just start wrapping. These curling wands are a lot easier than the old style curling irons, in my opinion. Like you just wrap it and go. This did have a little clip on the back side of it. I guess like to when you're sitting it down on the table to rest. I took it off. It's easier. It doesn't get caught in my hair anymore, so I just took it off. I used a screwdriver to take it off. So this usually lays on glass on my vanity, so it's not going to damage anything, but it did make it a lot easier. And it's super easy to get off if you want to. Yeah, a lot of you had requested this video, and I've been meaning to do one for a while. And usually, like after I've already gotten halfway through with my hair, I'm like, oh yeah, I thought I was gonna do that tutorial. So anyways, today I'm finally doing it. Hope you guys enjoy it. One main thing is just do not forget to spray your hair with some heat protection. You don't want to fry your hair. Alright, so I'm going to go in now with another 4-clip left. Like I said, these are the Luxy extensions. These are in chocolate brown balayage. This is like my 4th set of Luxys. They're really good quality. Pretty happy with them, especially the balayage. I feel like it blends better in your hair. All right. Pull it around front. This section's a little frizzy. If you guys hear a bunch of squeaking, it's my chair. My vanity chair is about to give out. Like, I don't know what's wrong with it, but it's just making really weird noises now. So I think I'm going to go with a pink vanity chair on my next one. Oh, and one more thing I want to mention also, make sure when you're wrapping, you can wrap it one of 2 ways. Sometimes I do rotate and I'll curl towards my face, and then I might do the next one and curl it away from my face just to give it a little bit of dimension. You can do it either way. If I have more time, I'll rotate, but most of the time I'm just curling towards my face. And then when I get to my top layer, I will usually curl like 1 or 2 away from my face just to kind of frame it. All right, so we're getting to the top right now. We've got one more section to go. All right, so I've got 2 little 1 clips right here that I'm going to put in towards the top of my head right here. I'm going to go ahead and place them, 1 right here and then 1 right here, and we're going to go ahead and let this top section down, and then we're going to part it. So let's go ahead and get this part. so we've got her parted. Now what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna pick up, where did I put the little one piece? Okay, I'm gonna pick up the little one piece. I'm gonna go ahead and skim my hand over the top of this, clip it to the side. And we're just gonna take that little one piece section with a little piece of hair right here, curl this. Now I'm gonna curl this one really tight and really high up because it's gonna give the front part of my hair a little bit more volume on, like, closer to the scalp. So we're gonna really curl this one. All right, see how it just gives it a little bit more oomph up here? All right, now I'm gonna take one little section right here, curl away from the face. Okay, we're done with this section right here. We're gonna move on to this one. Split that one piece section in half. Okay, so that is the finished product. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of loosen the curls at the top of my head. We're gonna pull this back. We're gonna kind of give it a little volume. Let's see. Gonna make sure none of our extensions are showing. All right, I'm gonna see if I can turn around and show you guys the back view of my hair. Let's see here. Hopefully you guys can see. So here is what the back looks like. And yeah, that is it. So we've got some really pretty curls going on. If you want to, you can spray it with hairspray. Just do a little light mist. I used to spray my hair with hairspray. Now I don't. I don't care if they fall a little bit through the day. I want them to get a little bit loosened up. But yeah, that is it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you didn't like it, I guess go ahead and hit the thumbs down button. All engagement is good engagement. So I'm just playing, but don't forget to go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know if you are going to try this out on your hair, and I will see you guys in the next video next Pink Wednesday.